Hi guys, today I'm reviewing some zucchini seeds that were sent to me by the company KVITER. These are an Italian heirloom zucchini seed. They make like a compact bush type plant. They're great for container gardening, so if you don't have a big garden, these are perfect for like growing in a container on your patio. They're fast growing also. They can be harvested in 50 to 60 days, so that's really great. Um, they're kind of larger seeds, kind of similar to pumpkin seeds. Um, anyway, so I'll probably start these in the spring, or actually start them in the house, and then after the first frost, I'll transfer them into a container on my patio, and hopefully we'll have some good heirloom zucchini next summer. So anyway, I really like that they're non-GMO. I know these types of seeds are becoming really popular. A lot of things have been just altered and manipulated, and I really like the heirloom seeds. So anyway, hope that helps.